Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bailey. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at Baileymstewart. In today's video is an Edikted try-on haul. I love Edikted. They have such cute clothing at a very affordable price. Their stuff is very like you might not find in other places, so I definitely love going there if I want something a little bit unique. At the same time, not breaking the bank, so I'm so excited to be able to work with them. So thank you Edikted for sponsoring this video. They also gave me a discount code for you guys to use, so just use the code Bailey and get 10% off your order. Save you some money, and if you want to see the super cute items I got, just keep watching. Okay, so first is like a two-piece set. It is so cute. It is sold separately, but like, oh my gosh, look, oh my gosh, I cannot. Look at that waist. Okay, it is the Ali mesh top, corset top. It's like a bustier. It's so cute. I don't really have anything like this, to be honest, so I was like, I need to go out of my comfort zone, get a top like this. Yeah, pair it with some like black over the knee boots. Such a look. I got it in a size extra small, and it's very stretchy, so I'm glad I did. I think a small wouldn't have fit as nicely. It is $37, and you can get 10% off, obviously, using my code. It's just like this mesh material. Cups give you, I don't know, I just think it makes my figure look really nice. And then the back is just zip up like that. And then I got the matching skirt, the STATI mini mesh skirt in a size small, and it is 27, and it's just got like this lace up detail right here, and you can kind of like tighten it, make it adjustable. It's on both sides. I don't really know how to describe this print, honestly, but I'm here for it. I don't have anything like this, and I like as a set, like I just feel like it's really snatching the waist. Like, this is definitely an outfit that I will be wearing out. Again, I'll probably most likely pair it with some black over the knee boots. I just think that's so hot. Like, okay, free drinks. And then this is the back. It's not too short, and it's again that mesh material, so it is stretchy. So yeah, sizing you can probably be a little bit flexible with. And like, this is such an affordable, cute set to wear out. Oh my gosh, I love. They don't have much like red either. Like, oh, I'm sorry, I just can't get over how this makes me like my frame look. Like, next I have the tailored tie-up cardigan, and I got it in a size extra small. I thought with like the skirt it would just be so cute paired with, again, some booties. I don't have anything like this, so I was like, all right, I need. And it's just this nice knit material, and again, an extra small, and it's still like not super tight, so I feel like sizing you can be a little lenient. And this was $29, and I'm pairing it with, I believe it's the AISHA low-rise mini skirt, which is $21 USD, and then I got this in a size small. It's supposed to be low rise, but your girl can't do low rise, so it's just gonna have to be high rise, and it's still not that short, so I make it work. This is the back. It's very cute. But it's like a set. This is so cute, paired with like some booties to make it like a little more fall. It's like a cotton spandex material. But yeah, you can pair this with like so many other things, which is why I got it. I wanted it to be something that I could wear more than once. So yeah, I'm really happy. Next, I have the ALIYAH off-shoulder crop top. It also comes in white. I got this in a small. I definitely want to snag the white now that I have this color. It's just such a cute shirt, and like it's got this like slit in the sleeves that kind of like puff out, like halter top. Yeah, it's so cute. Paired, you can pair this honestly with anything, and that's why I need the white as well. Paired with like a little mini skirt. Oh, so cute. Love. It's like a polyester spandex material. $15 I think right now. And so like for a top this cute, that's such a steal. and I'm just absolutely obsessed. It's just like a very stretchy material. You tie the neck, and like, oh, the sleeves are what got me. The whole thing got me, honestly. Like you can't tell me this isn't cute. I need the white one. Like, I'm literally gonna order the white right after filming this, because yeah. And then I'm pairing it with these flare pants, the engine red flare pants. I got a small, definitely should have gotten a medium because they're really tight, but I can make them work. I think. Yeah, it's just got this like lace up detail right here, and then lace up right here. I don't have any jeans like this. Y'all know I love my flare jeans, so I had to snag these. It's just such a cute piece that you could like dress up, dress down, and it's so unique. Like, I don't have anything like this in my closet, so I was like, yep, that's immediately going to my cart. $49, so like average jean price, honestly more on like, it's on the affordable jean price side, and they are very cute. Definitely size up, the stretch is very minimal, but luckily having this right here, I feel like you can get away if it is a little bit tighter. Yeah, look, they even flatter, sorry ladies, they even flatter the back side. Okay, love, we love. Alright, next I got this rally patch jacket. I've been wanting a jacket like this forever, but literally have not been able to find anything. So when I saw that they had this, I got so excited. Like, I'm not kidding. I got this in a medium. I probably could have gone to a large just because I wanted that oversized fit. It's still nice, still pretty big, but like I wanted it like down to here. Yeah, but it's like this cute like NASCAR race jacket. I'm not kidding, these are so trendy, and I have been wanting one, but I didn't want to pay a ridiculous amount of money. Like, I'm not kidding, like the vintage ones are like over, I've seen some for like 300. This is 88, so heck yeah, like yeah, so much cheaper than anywhere else I have seen these, and I didn't want to pay like $300, $200 for a jacket. It's got like the little buttons right here and all the way up, so you can button it if you want, but I like leaving it open. I think it's like, oh, so cute. Yeah, they have these in a different other ones. Like, I'm pretty sure they have a red one, but I just really wanted the black. I feel like it'll go with more. Again, I got a medium. Could have gone to a large, but the medium is still pretty nice fitting. It's not super short. Like, I didn't want it to be like that. Your girl wanted it oversized. Again, it's called the Rally Patch Jacket. Such a look, so trendy right now. Super cute, super cute. If you're gonna get anything, I think it needs to be this, because like, you need a jacket for fall winter anyways, and this is just a whole look. Obsessed. Well, last set is this terry cloth set. Obviously I just have my bra on right now, but I'd leave it open and then have like a little crop top in here just to show, because I feel like when it's closed it kind of looks like pajamas, but if it's like open, you pair with like a hat, some sneakers. It's a cute little casual sporty set, but like with it buttoned up it looks more like pajamas. But y'all know me, I love my terry cloth material. It's so comfortable. I got the top and bottom in a size small, and this is the Abby Terry shirt, again a small, and this was 38. And then I got the Abby Terry pants, and these were 31, and I got them in a size small. Like, I just absolutely love them. They've got the drawstrings if I want to cinch in the waist, but it's still that cute baggy fit. Like, cute. I'm obsessed. It's so comfortable. Like, I'm glad I didn't get an extra small, because that just would have been like, I like the baggier fit. Like, paired with sneakers, baseball cap. I'm not kidding, this is such a look. And I love this blue. You guys know me in blue. Alright guys, so that is everything I got from Edikted. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I'm absolutely obsessed with everything I got. I love how affordable their stuff is while still being high quality and very, very cute. Like, their stuff is pieces I don't really see anywhere else. So yeah, definitely go check them out. I will have everything linked down below. Comment your favorite items from this haul. Let me know what you snag. And don't forget to use my code Bailey to get you 10% off your order. Save you some money. Again, thank you so much for watching. And thank you, Edikted, for sponsoring this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!